Okay, hello everybody. This is Tom Brennan, and I just want to say hello and thank you everybody who has been subscribing. It's been wonderful. We've got over 350 people. By the way, the camera's going in and out. Can't fix it right now, but I want to get this out right away. Anyway, thank you everybody who has subscribed, and I'm glad this has been useful content for you. Just coming on right now today, just to talk about something that I have available right now. I actually been teaching AutoCAD for like 30 years, and I have a bunch of books. I have like 18 books that are laying around. And I could just bring them to Goodwill, but I thought maybe somebody might have an interest in them. So anyway, I've got them laying here, and they go back to like 2018. So I've got like everything from 2018 to 2022 in book format, and the books are actually pretty solid. I've got them right here. I've got both AutoCAD and Revit, and just to give you an idea, this is like one of the books that I have right here. If anyone's interested in that, just let me know. And this is AutoCAD 2022 Essentials. Again, I have it laying around. And the content, just to show what it looks like, I have one of the books open here because I have this in electronic format as well. So I'm going to go here, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to share this screen. And I'm going to share that, and you guys should be seeing my screen now. And I'm going to go over here. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to talk about, over here, here it is right here. Now, this is one of the books right here. This is the 2025 version. Yours would be a little bit, a little bit earlier than this. But I've got things like here, getting started with AutoCAD, and then it gets into this kind of thing, how to start the software, progressing through into basic drawing lines. Then there's some projects, and there's actually links on here to actually download all this stuff. So these are things that are just like really valuable if there's any interest. So I just thought I'd show you that. Also, just wanted to kind of like just update you on a couple things here. First of all, if you've not seen it, this is the springdrive.net. This is our webpage. There's not a lot going on, but it kind of gives an introduction here. And then over here, this is why you've been coming. This is what we have right here. Going to be having some new content out soon. So anyway, that's about it. Just want to kind of update some things and kind of get this out there so you guys are aware. And that's about it. So anyway, thanks again. And yeah, let me know if there's an interest. Just shoot me an email, and we can talk about maybe getting that in your hands. So thanks so much, and we'll talk later.